Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna talk to you, I'm gonna say you which chargers you can use with this iPhone. So this iPhone is supporting the 25 watts charging. So you can use any original Apple charger to use your iPhone. For example, I'm using a charger from the MacBook Air, and this charger is working very well with this iPhone. You just need to USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Of course, you need to have power delivery cable, not the QCU from the Android, Huawei, Xiaomi devices. No, just normal, simple power delivery. So without the blue or violet color inside, okay? So just normal black inside or gray inside, USB-C to USB-C cable. And what? That's it. Of course, it will be better if you will charge your device with a slow charger, because if your charger is slow, it will help your battery to live longer, because when you charging your device with fast charger like 20 watts or 25 watts, your battery is heating, and because of overheating, your battery is living shorter. Just because any battery you have works in the same rules. So when you're charging your battery faster, your battery will live shorter. So the whole battery life. Okay, and of course you can charge your device wirelessly. You can charge it using the MagSafe charger. You can charge it without the MagSafe, but using normal wireless chargers. With wireless charger, there is no rules, because iPhone supporting just 15 watts of wireless charging, and it means that 15 watts is slow charger. So you can use 10 or 15 watts charger to charge your iPhone. Cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.